Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Parco di Altavilla Vicentina and we're gonna take a walk together in nature. This is full nature, wild nature, and there is a lake, there are some animals, cute animals, and I'm gonna show you now. This is a little piece of heaven. It's very relaxing and yeah, there are many people with dogs and many people walking. Not many people, there's nobody. Just me and my bro and my dog, but some other people are walking here. And there are the swans and the ducks, and as you can see, if I become silent, listen. The void. And this is what makes our brain empty, and I love it.